Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz G550. This SUV came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or paint chips. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Everything here looks good as well. I'm not seeing anything wrong. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. Okay, this fender looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver side doors. Both front and back door are in good condition. They have no paint chips or dents on them at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks excellent, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the back of the SUV. Okay, the spare cover looks good. I'm not seeing any scratches on it. And the trunk and back bumper are in good condition as well. Okay, let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is fine. I do see a small scratch right here, and also right here. But the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. Both front and back door look fine. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents on either door. Both are in good condition. And now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any scratches on this fender at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and first we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Everything here looks fine. I'm not seeing any wear with the window switches. Also, the seat switch looks good as well. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear on this door panel at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the steering wheel buttons look good. I do not see any wear on them at all. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Perfect. So the interior of this SUV is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.